In this video, I'm going to walk you through my web design process and explain what happens after a client has agreed to work with you, signed the contract, and paid the deposit. Plus, I'll be giving away a free website audit with each episode in this 5-part series worth €247 with actionable tips and recommendations to help you to boost your website's optimization. So stick around to the end of the video to find out how you can enter that competition. Hi, I'm Aidan Quigley from AQ.ie and welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk about tech, web design and branding. Now it's time to announce the winner from the first episode in this series, which I'll link up here. The winner is Ruji Lodge, a surf hostel in Bundoran, County Donegal. Congratulations Ruji Lodge, and I'll be in touch to share your website audit. Now before we get into the video content, give the video a like if you enjoy it, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button to turn on post notifications. Let's go! The first phase in my web design process is the discovery phase. So in this phase, I get aligned with the client in terms of the brand strategy and the overall goals for the website. The first thing I do then is I schedule a kickoff meeting with the client to go over those things. Before the kickoff meeting, I'll ask the client to prepare a little bit of information about the brand and the website so that we can have a productive meeting. And when we're in the project kickoff meeting, we workshop together the brand strategy and get to the heart of the products they're selling, who their customer is, and what their goals are for the brand. Then I dive into why you need a new website and try to figure out what's going on internally in your organization or externally with competitors or your customers that's driving you to want a new website. Once that's clear, we set some goals for the website project, and then we explore the website's current design and take a look at some of the other competitors in the market, some other websites out there that you like and dislike to get an idea of what kind of visual design you are looking to achieve. We'll explore some contemporary design, and I'll probably show you some of the award-winning websites that I draw inspiration from, like these 5 websites that I talk about in this video. We'll also explore the content structure, the information architecture, the navigation, and workshop all of those so that we agree on approach going forward for the new website. And after the meeting, I'll communicate all of the things that we've agreed upon and get you to sign off on it so that we can move forward to the next stage of the process. That next phase of the process is what I'm going to talk about in episode 3, when I dive into content, sketches, and wireframes. Did you find this information useful? Let me know if you did by giving it a like and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. Now on to the website audit competition. If you are looking for a way to improve your website, but you don't know where you should start, then this is the competition for you. I'm giving away a free website audit worth €247 where I'm going to give you actionable recommendations that you can use and apply to your website to help it to perform better. To enter, check out the rules for the competition in the description below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button to turn on post notifications. Check out some of my other videos over here, and that's it for this week. Thanks for watching.